This is a place for creating and making things.
You can come bring your ideas here.
You could definitely just walk right in. Your major actually doesn't matter.
We are in the Speed Center for Innovation at Speed School. There's tools here and support and equipment to create and build things. We've got a full metal working machine shop and 3D printers and wood shop.
You can do any hobby projects here, or you could do any of your school projects here. We have pretty much any major equipment that you could use to cut wood, cut metal. We have a 3D printer room. We have an online access to that if you'd like to have something printed.
Currently, we have trainings for metal shop basics and welding. You have your laser cutter trainings, CNC lathe and mills, as well as the manuals. And then you have your electronics bench, which you learn how to solder.
Every major can find something to do here. I come here pretty much every day. There's just so much fun stuff to work on. It's a sort of different side to school.
It's also just a very relaxed, comfortable atmosphere. I'm a transfer student and I really wanted to connect with people. So I just stepped in here. I just sat down and I talked to the person in front of me and they were in one of my classes.
You can walk around and kind of just get the feel for what it's like to be in the makerspace. And we'll guide you through the whole sign-up process. If you want to sign up for how to do anything, we'll walk you through all of that.
This makerspace is fantastic. I can't say enough good things about it.